everyone, welcome to Fashion Trisha. So today's video is all about unboxing, and the product is really very exciting product. So I received this package from Revona Naturals. So let's see what's inside. And this is, oh my god, look at the packaging. A 99% pure aloe vera gel. I'm really in love with this. Look at the packaging, oh my god. A pure aloe vera leaf. And it says aloe vera gel soothing and moisture, 99% soothing gel, and it is paraben and SLS free. The MRP is $325. You will get this on Amazon, Flipkart and Nykaa as well, I guess. So as this aloe vera gel is 99% pure without paraben and SLS, you can use it on your skin to cure your redness, your scars, and to moisture your scalp also. Previously I also used few aloe vera gels from different brands, but they were like something light green texture. But the aloe vera gel leaf is green, but the gel is totally transparent. So let's check this. See how transparent this is. I use this as a primer before my makeup, and I have applied this aloe vera gel only on my skin. There is no makeup, no foundation, nothing. This is just the aloe vera gel all over my face. So see the texture. It's really transparent. It melts onto your skin like a magic. I use 3 times on night and my skin looks really perfect. See, you can see the glow. There is no moisturizer, there is no sunscreen, there is no foundation. I just applied this aloe vera gel. You can use this as your night cream also, and basically I use as a, like, in a week thrice I use it as a night cream, and I use this as a primer. See how smooth it is, non-sticky. There is no stickiness. Just goes well onto your skin. Seriously guys, go and grab this aloe vera gel. It's way more good than other brands available in the market, and the packaging is really so cute. So this is it for today. We'll see you guys very soon. Stay updated in my channel.